KKR fans might feel that they were too close, but let me tell you, they were behind the game all the time. Welcome to all of you. First of all, let me welcome UAE's captain, that is Rohan Mustafa. Welcome to the show, Rohan.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Also, I want to welcome a few fans. I have a young girl from a Chennai supporter, Pari, who I have a strong feeling will represent India very soon. Pari, आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है.
Thank you, sir.
And then I have a disappointed KKR fan, Abhijit. I have a happy fan, Mois from Hyderabad. And I have Ali, as well as Dia is just adding. Dia, can you hear us? All right. Welcome to all of you guys. So my first question to Rohan Mustafa. We talk about the match जो अभी थोड़ा सा गर्म हुआ, KKR versus CSK. अब आपने ये गेम देखा. What would you like to analyze? Was KKR really near, or were they always behind the game?
Anish bhai, it was, to be honest, it was a very great match. I think on the board, when you score 200 and above, it's quite hard to chase. Whoever team you have, or you have a very good batting lineup, or whatever it is. But still, you know, on Indian tracks, it can be possible. But you can take the game till 14 over, 13 over. But unfortunately, they lost all their main wickets in first 7 or 8 overs. So that was quite hard to chase it. So that was the thing. I think, as you said before, that they were behind the game all the time. So I think it was quite hard to chase 200 and above score.
Welcome, Dia. How are you keeping?
Well, I am doing pretty well. I mean, seeing one thriller of a match and, you know, was just so amazing. And, you know, now waiting for RR versus RCB. So, yeah, going pretty well.
So let me ask you to be very honest. Like I mentioned, at the end, it looked like it's a close game, but KKR were always chasing the game after being 30 for 5.
Yeah, actually, no, I really thought that, you know, CSK's net run rate is going to shoot up when we saw them at 35, when we saw KKR at 35 for 5. I thought that, you know, the RCB's record of 49 all out might be just broken by KKR today, but I think the fate had something different today. I mean, seeing that Cheher's one hell of a spell, I would say, picking up 4 wickets in his 3 overs. But then I think we were going to witness something, you know, I would say amazing, like, you know, what happened, the way DK batted, Dinesh Karthik, and the way Russell batted. His dismissal was unfortunate, I would say. I mean, this could have been saved, and maybe that might have led, you know, to KKR winning that match, but that actually didn't happen. And, you know, you just never get to know in T20 as who would have expected that Pat Cummins is going to hit that way. And, you know, that over of Sam Curran, where he hit him for 30 runs, was just game changing. I mean, that was the time when we all thought that, you know, maybe this is where the momentum shift is happening, and maybe KKR might win this one. But yeah, I think the target was just too big and they didn't have much wickets in their hands. So yeah, it was for CSK to win, but I would say KKR was in it to win it, and I would say that they deserve to win this one, but they couldn't.
All right. Now, along with our star-studded analysts, we also have some star-studded fans. तो पहले मैं परी शर्मा के पास जाऊंगा, उनकी टीम जीती है. अभिजीत, आई विल कम बैक टू यू लेटर, योर टीम इज लॉस्ट. सो परी, आपके हिसाब से किसकी इनिंग्स इतनी अच्छी थी जिसने सीएसके को जिताया? हाँ परी, मेरी आवाज आ रही है, राइट? हाँ बोले. फाफ डुप्लेसी. तो आपको लगता है फाफ डुप्लेसी ने कमाल कर दिया? और चहार ने. तो अब सीएसके 3 मैच जीत गई है 4 में से. आपको लगता है सीएसके आगे बढ़ेगी? उनको आपको लगता है वो प्लेऑफ्स में पहुंचेगी?
यस, जरूर पहुंचेगी.
और आप जैसे फैंस है तो जरूर ले जाएंगे सीएसके को. हाँ, लेट मी टेल यू फैन गाइस, शी इज अ गर्ल, शी इज व्हाट, हाउ मच, 7 इयर्स. और आपकी उम्र क्या है परी बच्चा?
7 years old.
7 साल की लड़की है. आप कभी उसके वीडियोस देखे यूट्यूब पे जाके, यू विल बी एस्टोनिश्ड. शी इज प्लेइंग फास्ट बॉलिंग at 130, and if I am right, her father is backing well. और जिस तरह से वो खेल रही है, मुझे लगता है कि 13-14 साल में या 15 साल में वो इंडिया के लिए खेलेगी. Anyway, अभिजीत, let me come to you. अभिजीत, what's wrong with KKR? क्या खा के आते KKR के every time they go down?
I have no words to describe the performance, but however, really well balanced with Pat Cummins. At the end, I thought we had a bit of a chance, but unfortunately, we wasn't out there again. I think it's just a lack of attitude to win at the moment. I think we could do with should Sunil Narayan opening the batting lineup, and then maybe hold Nitish Rana in the middle order, because that could actually create some momentum in terms of batting. Yeah.
Okay. Now, since this was a double-header, that's why we have such fans and all. But that's the beauty about the show, that it's not only the analyst but also the fans can leave it. But before I come to the fans of Hyderabad as well as Punjab, let me ask Dia, what is wrong with Punjab? They are not learning from their mistakes.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I would still say this combination was still better than what they had last time. They got in Fabian Allen this time and Moises Henriques, but I think they did a decent job. But I don't know what's wrong with them having Ravi Bishnoi. I think, according to me, he was the find of the tournament back in 2020. Why he's not playing on a track like this on a slow pitch? That's going to favor him. And I think the way Chris Gale and Nicholas Puran are performing there, they are definitely underperforming. So I think in next match we might get to see maybe David Malan coming in place of them. That should be the change that I am expecting now. Rest, I would say their lineup, this completely entirely dependent on KL Rahul. Today he didn't fire, and Mayank Agarwal did a great job in the last match, but still couldn't carry on his form in this match. And that's when they just lose it. And it was an easy win for Hyderabad. Chasing down 120 was just so easy, seeing the kind of bowling that they were doing. So I think they're still not able to figure out their winning combination. And I would say yeah, after winning that first match, they lost all of their 3 matches. So that has been the case with them in last time as well, when they lost their 7 matches consecutive in a row. So that has been the case with them, and they're still not learning from their mistakes. This is all I can say. So I think they definitely need to bring back in Ravi Bishnoi, and David Malan should also come back in, and maybe then they might get their momentum back, and KL Rahul is their key, I would say.
Rohan Mustafa, you have played so many games against Afghanistan, and you have seen the way at one time UAE used to dominate Afghanistan. But now there's a sudden change, and you see Rashid Khan. What is the difference what you see in Rashid Khan today as to what you were playing during those days?
I think, Anis bhai, when I started cricket, I played against him in Bangladesh. To be honest, at that time, I don't know Rashid Khan. I hit him like 3 sixes at that match. But after that, I saw, he's changing day by day. He has a talent, I think, which other don't have. I think it's very hard to read him, which is the googly one, which is the leggy one, and which is the straighter one, basically. So I think that affects all the batsmen. If you can't read with your eyes, it's quite hard to play it. Quite hard to go for a shot, something like that. And I think in Sunriser Hyderabad, he's the main difference right now, like as in Afghanistan team. So even in Sunriser Hyderabad, when he performed, this team restrict other teams less than 140 or 150. And as you saw him, it's basically it's a big pressure on other teams when they think about the bowlers. They were concentrating on Rashid Khan, and then suddenly some like Bhuvi, he also bowled really well. And then when he came in the middle of the over, so it's quite hard to score against him. So that is the main thing for Sunriser Hyderabad as well.
Okay, let me come to the fans now. Moiz, खुश तो तुम आज बहुत हो गए, हैदराबाद ने अपने पहले 2 पॉइंट ले लिए.
Bilkul. It was a very good game. I think the team played well, and to be very honest, I think losing the toss was actually a blessing in disguise, because it was a very undefined pitch. No one knew what was going to happen, so I guess it worked in Sunriser's favor.
All right, I know you have to go for a match, and I'm getting you hold it, but all my fans have to wait, because we are going to play a competition in the game. आपकी टीम वहां पे खेली है, but you are going to play a competition with us. Qasim Ali, Punjab, Nicholas Puran, 4 matches, 3 zeros. Do you think high time he makes way for David Malan?
Yes, as I said after the previous match as well, Kings Punjab is very much dependent on KL Rahul. Mayank Agarwal is not a natural hitter. Sometimes when he is batting well, he looks really good, but I think he is also not the natural hitter. So in order to make it a better batting lineup, I think they should again shift Chris Gayle up the order, maybe bat Mayank Agarwal one down if they don't really want to play David Malan. Even though they did some changes, bringing in Moises Henriques, I still believe David Malan is the best fit at number 3 for them, and they need to stop depending on KL Rahul a lot. We saw that in the previous match, KL Rahul batted well, but he was very he was too slow trying to make sure that he doesn't give up his wicket, because he also knows right now that the whole team is dependent on him a lot. Even the bowling has not been up to the mark. We saw that Jai Richardson, he was there in the previous game, but he could not bowl that well. Even the other Australian, Riley, could not be bowling that well. So a lot to think about for Punjab in the upcoming games, not just the Puran.
Right. Now we are going to have a competition. First is between Pari आपके बीच में और अभिजीत के बीच में एक competition होगा, लेकिन परी आपके साइड दिया भी रहेगी. दिया यू गोइंग टू सपोर्ट परी, रोहन मुस्तफा आप अभिजीत को सपोर्ट करोगे. सवाल हो और मुझे देखना है, फील्ड पे आपकी टीम जीत गई है, आप इस फील्ड पे जीत पाते हो कि नहीं. परी और अभिजीत आपकी टीम हारी है, कैन यू विन? तो मेरा पहला सवाल परी आपसे. दिया, यू नीड टू सपोर्ट, ऑल द कंप्यूटर्स कॉपी करके जीतना है, देखने कि आप लोग पाते हो कि नहीं. हु इज द मैन ऑफ द मैच फॉर द गेम टुडे? परी.
Deepak Chahar.
Is it the right answer, Diya?
Yes, definitely. Like after that, I would say after that fantabulous batting performance by CSK, it's the bowling at the end that will make you win the matches. And had it not been for those 4 wickets in the initial start,
the wrong answer, Diya.
CSK would have lost this one. So Deepak
Chahar. What you think is wrong? It's the wrong answer, Diya. Man of the match is Faf du Plessis. So, परी आप पहला गलत, आपके एनालिसिस में आप गलत आंसर दिया है. Okay, now second question to you, Abhijit. Okay, ध्यान से सुनना. Andre Russell. How many runs did Andre Russell score? Have how many balls? Come on, look into your computer and tell me.
54 out of 8.
Come on, support karo, Rohan. कितने balls? Abhijit, come on, look into your mobile. Copy.
20 to 30 balls.
Wrong answer. It's up 22 balls. Okay. तो दोनों ने अभी तक रन नहीं बनाए. What is going on? What is this? Okay, परी शर्मा आपके साथ दूसरा सवाल. फाफ डू प्लेसी के साथ ओपनिंग पार्टनरशिप के लिए कौन आए थे? Who was the opener with फाफ डू प्लेसी, जिसने 50 रन बनाए 50 के ऊपर? कौन था वो बैट्समैन? परी शर्मा.
Gaikwad.
Come on. कौन?
Gaikwad.
ठीक है, ये आपका पहला राइट. दिया, शी राइट.
Yes, Rituraj Gaikwad.
तो 1-0 आप. अभिजीत इधर तो जीत जाओ आप लोग. अभिजीत, सेकंड क्वेश्चन टू यू. Who was the bowler who brought KKR back into the match with his batting? कौन था वो बल्लेबाज जिन्होंने KKR को लेकर आया बैट? Pat Cummins. चलो 1-1. Now this is the tie breaker. ये सवाल आप दोनों के लिए कॉमन है. मुझे जल्दी बताइए. It's going to be reverse for you. Abhijit, I'm going to ask this question to you, which will be from the CSK side. So Pari, आपको जवाब नहीं देना है. दिया, you don't have to answer. Abhijit, who is the coach of CSK?
Who is the coach of CSK?
Come on, Rohan Mustafa, quickly.
Fleming, Stephen Fleming.
All right, so this time Rohan Mustafa has bailed him out. Now the difficult question, Pari, आपको ये जीतना पड़ेगा, वरना अभिजीत बाजी मार जाएगा. लेकिन आप छोटी बच्ची हो, आपको एकदम छोटा सा सवाल. महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने आज कितने रन बनाए? आपका फेवरेट प्लेयर है, जल्दी से बताइए. Come on, Diya.
No, 17 of 8 balls.
चलो, we will give this answer to you. परी, आप बोलते हैं आप धोनी के बड़े फैन हैं, उन्होंने 11 नहीं 17 रन बनाए, तो ये मैच टाई हो गया है. बट बिकॉज आपकी टीम जीती है, आप सुपर फैन बन जाते हो इस मैच के. सो तालिया फॉर परी शर्मा. नाउ लेट मी come to the other fans. Moiz and Kasim, I hope Kasim आप हो इधर. कासिम
जी
अभी आप पंजाब टीम हारी है, यहाँ मुझे आपको जीत के बताना है. मुझे ये बताइए, Moiz, first question to you. Who is the man of the match for today's game?
I would say Johnny Bairstow. for sure.
You would say, or is he? Rohan Mustafa.
I think Johnny Bairstow.
Rohan Mustafa, do you endorse this answer?
I think Khalil Ahmed.
Moiz, do you want to lock Khalil Ahmed or you want to go with he's trying to confuse you? Think. Jaldi jawab do.
Okay, I think we'll go with Khalil Ahmed. All right.
Wrong answer. It's Johnny Bairstow. Your analyst has put you. Okay, Qasim
Sorry,
Ali, let me
bhaiya.
come to you.
Yes.
Qasim Ali, Punjab ka coach kaun hai? Quickly. Diya, you need to support him.
Is it Jonty Rhodes?
Oh no, come on, Diya, can you support him?
Anil Kumble.
Yeah,
Anil Kumble. So this time the analyst has bailed Qasim Ali out. क्या follow करते हो आप लोग? कौन से fans हो? आपको पता नहीं आपका coach कौन है? Okay, Moiz, to you. Rashid Khan took how many wickets today?
1.
Okay, that's right, spot on. Let me come to you. Rohan Mustafa and Qasim Ali. पंजाब की तरफ से highest score किसका था आज? जल्दी जल्दी बताइए. Come on, Rohan Mustafa.
पर मैं नहीं हूँ, ये अली और दिया है, ये लोग
अली एंड दिया, जल्दी बताइए. मैं भी कंफ्यूज हो गया कौन किसके साथ है. कौन था आज हाईएस्ट स्कोरर पंजाब का?
Mayank Agarwal.
Mayank Agarwal, 22 runs.
ये चलो ठीक है. Now let me come to you again, Moiz. Last question. So far it's getting tight. Now I'll ask you the other question from the opposite side. Okay? Punjab. Who is called the universal boss of Punjab?
So easy.
Chris Gayle.
Who is it?
Chris Gayle.
Thank God you all know Chris Gayle. The last question to you, Abhishek, Radha, Qasim Ali.
Yes.
Are you there? Are you there with me?
Yes, yes.
वो कौन सा प्लेयर है जो अंडे पे अंडे बना रहा है आपकी टीम में? 4 मैच में 3 अंडे बनाए.
Puran.
चलो ये मैच टाई हो गया है. So I'll give it to Moiz. Sorry, Qasim Ali.
नहीं, I won it.
यस सर, टाई हो गया, हम लोग जीत गए हैं. मोइज विनर.
Anyway, it's always fun. You see, the idea of getting fans on the show is that you can live your passion. So अगर आपको लगता है ये tag हो गया, let me. I want to know what is the tagline of Mr. Cricket page. ये Mr. Cricket का page है. Fill in the blanks. What is the next line? Come on, Moiz or Qasim Ali, जवाब दीजिए.
I wish I knew.
या Rohan Mustafa, क्या है आगे की लाइन? किसी को नहीं पता, बस पेज पे आ जाते हो. इंग्लिश में भी जवाब दे सकते हो. This is Mr. Cricket's page. Dash dash dash.
Your one-stop destination for all. Your one-stop destination. नहीं.
No. Go back to your homework and come back to the answer tomorrow. Whenever you're going to there. तुम लोग ने मेरा नाम खराब कर दिया है. दोनों है, चारों फैंस में, राधा 8 फैंस.
मिस्टर
सामने वाले को किसको
यूएई है ना सर, और क्या है?
नहीं, कंप्लीट दैट लाइन. नेक्स्ट टाइम देखना, मैं बताऊंगा नहीं अभी. ओके, मुझे शर्म आ रही है कि मेरे पेज पे मेरे एनालिस्ट fill in the blanks नहीं कर पा रहे. Okay guys, thank you so much. Beautiful show. And once again, thank you Rohan Mustafa. Thank you Moiz. Thank you Diya, Towing Qasim Ali. And thank you Abhijit. I want you to do. And Pari Sharma, इसी तरह डटे रहो और खेलते रहो. Take care, lovely, beautiful people. Bye bye.
Thank you for having us. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Remember my tagline for the next time. Okay.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.